Now on Real Nebraska, we're at the University Health Center to find out how UNL students can stay healthy and be well. And by the way, this is no joke. The guy who normally holds the sign called in sick today. Let's go check it out. I've come to school here, I get sick. What do I do?
All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your in card, which is your student ID, and your insurance card if you have one. You're gonna go to the health center either during walk-in times or you're gonna make an appointment and they'll get someone to see you.
Oh, I was starting to get a sore throat, feel the normal sick things, and I was just like, I better go to the health center. It's close, it's on campus.
Then we do a physical exam and try to work out an appropriate treatment plan. So our accessibility here on campus for students is number one. You can get in and be seen by one of our providers or at least one of our nurses, generally within the hour.
I had my flu shot here. When I cut my hand open sophomore year, and I had to get my stitches out, and they took my stitches out.
How did you cut your hand open?
Razor blade.
Oh.
Oh, there's the candle warmer, and I tried to get the wax out of the candle warmer with the razor blade, and it slipped.
You know what? That's an age-old tale. Like that happens, they probably see 10 of those a week here.
If needed, begin CPR.
Do we need to begin CPR?
We do.
Do you ever come up with backstories for these dummies? Like this guy's got 2 kids and he was out jogging and then got bit by a rattlesnake?
No. Actually.
Is there something you should be saying to the patient, like, hang in there, man?
Well, I mean, if they don't have a pulse, they can't hear you.
Well, I know, but say some encouraging thing.
Okay, come on, you're gonna make it.
Okay? You go now. Come on, what can you say to encourage this dummy to start breathing?
Live.
When a student comes to the health center for dental care, what can they get done?
They can get just like the standard cleaning, the 6-month cleaning and checkup. We do fillings and root canals and crowns.
Okay, so now what are we doing? I didn't catch that. It sounds like we are making fish pays.
So what are we doing
Happy
here
Green
today?
Monday.
Oh, perfect.
So what are we doing here today?
We are promoting good habits.
Every Monday, the health center comes and they bring different kinds of things. This Monday, they have, it's all about the Green Monday, so it's reduce, reuse, recycle.
Why would somebody use the pharmacy here as opposed to going to stupid old Walgreens?
Well, it's pretty cheap to do it here, and it's just right here. You don't have to drive to go there. It's right here, right when you get
So
done.
it's like environmentally friendly pharmacy.
Yes, it's green that way, I guess.
We are working on physical therapy with a student with an ankle sprain.
And how did you hurt your left ankle?
I slipped on a wet floor at work.
So I hope you're suing them for all they're worth.
I can't, my mom owns it.
Even better. Get that inheritance a little bit early. The young people today, they need my legal advice now more than ever. Can you teach us one exercise that we could do?
I just want you to tip forward as far as you can and hold your position there. And hold that position. Looks excellent.
Is this a real exercise or are you just trying to humiliate me?
This is, well, both probably, but...
Okay, now what's one tip that you would give all Huskers to stay healthy in general? Stay well.
Just brushing and then flossing.
Get enough sleep.
Make sure you do your stretches. Make sure you do your core exercises.
Eat your vegetables and your fruits.
You could go to the rec and work out, because I always feel better when I work out.
What machines do you use when you work out?
Obviously, lots of heavy lifting machines, as you can see.
Definitely, right? That pow-pow right there with those guns.
Absolutely.
To stretch and eat healthy.
What's your favorite stretch?
Probably the V-sit.
You can stay healthy by...
Washing your hands and covering your cough.
So?
Staying well hydrated and making sure that you begin to address your symptoms before they become problematic.
Get in here right away when you start to feel sick, or else it can be real bad.
So what if I cough? If I were to cough right now, so what?
It just goes out into the air, I could breathe it in, you could make me sick, and I could call you up and be angry about it.
Are you accusing me of being unclean?
I'm accusing your particles of floating around and potentially going into my nose and or mouth.
So it's not just me, it's my particles that you're worried about.
So your particles, yes.
So what have we learned this week? The University Health Center provides health care with high quality and low cost. Cover your mouth when you sneeze, otherwise your particles will get everywhere. And most importantly, who needs you, sign guy? Who needs you?